Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about Carib cement. Now, as you know, Jamaica is expanding. Everywhere you look, some building is going up. Something that uses cement is being constructed. And with 90% of the cement used in Jamaica obtained locally from Carib cement, it is now putting pressure on the cement company. In 2022, the company invested $6 billion to increase the capacity that they can generate. They wanted to generate 30% more cement or 300,000 tons more per year. That was 2022. And because of the unprecedented demand, the unprecedented developments going on in Jamaica, in 2024, they announced that they would be investing another $8 billion to increase the capacity of the plant even more. Now, the original 2022 expansion plan is still on the way, coming along nicely, but they're going to expand even more with an additional $8 billion in 2024. This is the actual cement plant. So we're going to go through an article that explains what they were planning to do in 2022 with the first $6 billion, and then we're going to go through an article that explains what they're doing with the $8 billion that they are going to invest in 2024. So this article now is 2022. Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness on Wednesday broke ground for the $6 billion US $40 million expansion project at Carib Cement Company Limited in Kingston. The Mexico-Jamaica Friendship Mural project was also unveiled during the ceremony as part of efforts to celebrate Jamaica's 60th year of independence. In his remarks, the Prime Minister said he is pleased that as part of its growth strategy, CEMEX took the decision to upgrade and increase the production capacity of its subsidiary Caribbean Cement Company Limited. This expansion project will increase Carib Cement's production capacity by approximately 30%, that is by 300,000 metric tons. The expansion will use state-of-the-art technology and will introduce novel grinding additives to the manufacturing process, which would further enhance the production of low clinker products in the region, Mr. Holness said. He argued that by optimizing the heat consumption in the cement production process, the project will also minimize Carib Cement's carbon footprint in Jamaica. Okay, so we're now going to go through the article that gives more information on the $8 billion they're going to be spending. Cement maker Caribbean Cement Company Limited expects to spend over US $51 million or 8 billion Jamaican this year as capital expenditure to complete its plant expansion while embarking on new projects. It would equate to the largest annual investment in the Rockford Kingston-based plant in a decade. Spending would rise fivefold from the $1.6 billion a year earlier. Investments have surpassed $11 billion in total over a span of a decade, with 2017 accounting for a capex of $2.2 billion. The spending in 2024 will be bigger than in the past, said Managing Director Jorge Martinez while reporting to shareholders. The maker of Carib Cement said that half of the funds would be spent on completing the kiln expansion. A kiln is an industrial furnace used by Carib Cement to transform clinker into cement. Expansion aims to raise production capacity by one-third to 1.3 million tons. A year earlier, US 800,000 was spent on the kiln project, and the project was originally slated for completion in 2024, but it will now be commissioned in 2025. The other half of the capex will be spent on various projects, including a dust mitigation program costing US $3 million. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So a lot of expansion is taking place at Carib Cement, and it's being done to keep up with the demand for the cement in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.